Good morning. It's Tuesday, October 3rd, 2023. This is your Georgia Weather Net morning update. No precipitation on radar, and we're pretty much clear as far as cloud cover is concerned. A little thin layer of clouds in southeast Georgia over Waycross, Brunswick, Savannah, along the coastline up to Statesboro. But a lot of that's going to break up through the day today. We'll see just a few clouds here and there, but we should keep the rain away. Let's take a look at our one tropical storm. That's Philippe, very lopsided. You can see the cloud shield is to the southeast of the center of the rotation. So that's one sign that this storm is just not really going to make it very far. As a matter of fact, the National Hurricane Center says probably not going to be a hurricane. This is a little change from yesterday, and we may see this storm weaken even quicker. Just looking at all that dry air being drawn into the storm, it's just not looking all that great as far as strengthening is concerned, and certainly not moving toward us. It will be near Bermuda, bringing some rain as we head into the weekend. Let's take a look at the modeling for today. High pressure stays locked in up to the northeast. That keeps skies fairly clear in North Georgia. A few clouds in South Georgia, especially along the coastline as we move through the day today. But it looks like we keep the rain away. This afternoon, also pretty quiet. We'll warm back up into the 80s, but everything is, rain-free, looks like, as we move through the day. Heading into tomorrow, maybe a few showers along the coast. High pressure going to slowly start to retreat to the northeast, so we'll see just a little bit more cloud cover, especially in the southern part of the state through the day tomorrow. And then Thursday, some showers along the coastline, no surprises there. And we see a lot of rain in the extreme upper left of the screen. That is part of a cold front that's going to be pushing our way. Every cold front's associated with a low pressure center. It looks like that low pressure center is going to be way up to the north, up toward Ohio, the Great Lakes area. So we're going to be on the very tail end of that frontal boundary. So as we head into Thursday afternoon, we'll start to see that frontal system, at least the rain part, start to fizzle out quite a bit. Now, that just means we're not going to see as much rain on Friday and into the weekend. We're still going to get the cooler and drier air move in, and that's going to be a big relief. We're going to notice fall-like temperatures really settle in very quickly as soon as that frontal system passes through. Now, we will see a few showers, just understand, but we're not really going to see a lot of thunderstorm activity with this cold front as we typically could see this time of year. Again, we're just going to be on the very tail end of that boundary, but the cooler air will start to arrive late on Saturday and the Sunday, and as we start out next week, much cooler temperatures as well all the way through the state of Georgia. That's your morning weather update from the Georgia Weather Net. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.